everyone, how are you doing? I've missed you. I know I've had videos the past few days, but I actually pre-recorded. As many of you know, my family is in town, so I've been spending time with them, so I haven't recorded in a few days, but the boxes are piling up, so I'm taking a little family break and recording tonight. It is so hot in Florida. It's like in the 90s, so if you notice a little bit of sweat, get used to it because summer Florida weather is coming. But before I get unboxing and telling you about a new box for our channel, I have been wanting to say this, but since I pre-recorded, I couldn't bring it up. I did draw a winner for my Walmart Beauty Favorites giveaway, and I have not heard back yet, so go over to that video and check the pinned comment. If I do not get an email from the winner within the next 2 days, so by the end of the 20th, I'm going to draw another winner. So sorry I didn't say that sooner, but definitely go check that out. And yeah, let's get started. So today's box is a little different. This is actually a men's subscription. This is All He Loves. This is the packaging. I've actually seen Abadabs open this in the past. I think she still gets it and she gives it to her husband, who I believe loves it. I think she posted a video within the past week, maybe even sooner, but I did not watch it because I want this to be a surprise. I'm so glad I got this when my parents are in town. I'm going to surprise my dad with some goodies tomorrow. I'll also have to gather some stuff up for my mom. They've been so generous taking me out the past few days and we've had such a blast, so I want to give back to them, so this is awesome. I thought this would be great for our channel. I know we're mostly women here, I can tell on my analytics page, but this would be probably a great gift for a significant other or family member, and Father's Day really isn't too far away. So this has 2 subscription options, but you can also just order a one-time box. So like all new subscriptions on my channel, I have their website pulled up, and so I'll get some information from there because it's new to me and for us. So this is a men's lifestyle subscription. It says stuff guys love, quality tool, unique gadget, survival gear, and much more. So the plans start at $32 a month. This box ships to both the US and Canada. The basic box is $32 a month, and you're supposed to get products with $50 or more retail value. And the advanced box is $45 per month, and you'll get a retail value of greater than $70. And again, there's a one-time purchase option as well. They gave me a code to give to you guys. I don't get anything from this, it's just for you. The code is KITTY10 for 10% off your first box. So if you like what you see, definitely use that. It'll be down in the description box, and the link for this box will be there as well. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Like, I might have to keep some things if it's like survival tactics. I love knowing all about that, but when I open up the box, this is what I see. So it looks like there is a card on top. It says Unwind. So again, this is the April 2019 men's lifestyle box, All He Loves. Cool, so on the back it gives a little description of all the items along with their retail value, and there's also a description for this month's theme. So again, the theme is Unwind, and it says, every so often, all you need to do is kick back and find peace in your own time. This box contains 2 fundamental stress management and relaxation therapies, music and aroma. I like that. With the sole purpose to calm your mind and feed your soul with positivity and life. So go ahead and unwind. It's time you took a load off. Awesome. Oh, and there's a little note here for me. Let's see what this says. Oh, and don't mind the Band-Aid on my finger. I burnt my finger pretty bad earlier. I was trying to light a candle. It's kind of on its last leg. So I was like trying to get the wick lit and it wouldn't light, and then my hand touched the lighter that was hot for way too long, and yeah, so that's what's going on there. So I have a thank you card. It says, hello Kitty, thank you for reviewing my box. I believe you will enjoy this month because we curated the products with love. Sincerely, Trong, founder of All He Loves. Oh, that's so sweet. So they did send this to me free for review, which I was very grateful for, still am. All opinions are of course my own. Not paid to say anything, just getting this for review. So the first thing I see, this is awesome. This is, it looks like like a sound system. This is by LSTN Sound Co., the Anthem wireless speaker. Oh my god, this is awesome. I feel like guys are so hard to get for. Like, so far this seems like a great box for that. I mean, I've only looked at one thing, but sweet. It says proceeds provided hearing aids, or the proceeds provide hearing aids to someone in need through Starkey Hearing Foundation. Awesome, so this gives back too. This is awesome. My parents go on the boat a lot, and they like go out by the pool. This would be so useful. And this is a retail value of $70. Wow. So this is a small size, huge sound, weighs less than a pound, and is easily rechargeable via USB. It's ready to go wherever life takes you. A built-in microphone means you can go from work mode to chill mode without skipping a beat. Also, your purchase helps giving hearing aids to people in need worldwide, because sales of all LSTN products go towards Starkey Hearing Foundation. I love that. I say this every time I get a product that gives back, but that just makes me feel so much better about my purchases, you know? But this is awesome. $70 value too, and that's something like everyone can get use out of. The next thing I see is by Drifter. It says Live Life Clean. I'm even worse at reading today, you guys. I have had too much fun recently. This is the El Dorado Whiskey Soap. Oh wow, this is such a manly man thing. I feel like you guys love whiskey. Packed with essential goods to define your manliness and help you stand out in the crowd. Soap for men. On the back it says it's handcrafted in small batches, natural and amazing ingredients. Awesome. I'm gonna smell it. It smells good. Definitely has a manly scent. I love the scent of men. Well, a well-groomed man. Awesome. So this has a retail value of $8. And it says, refresh yourself with a manly soap made with barrel-aged whiskey to create one-of-a-kind blend and formulated with El Dorado hops to help your skin fight against free radicals and skin inflammation. The soap also has a manly scent with a blend of sandalwood and fir, softened by lemongrass, infused with a crisp bite of bergamot, and finished with the smooth, smoky aroma of whiskey. It does smell really nice. Awesome. The next thing I see looks like it's a treat or something. Time to Meat. This is biltong, tender and delicious seasoned dried beef. 30 grams of protein per bag, no artificial anything, natural, sugar-free. Hi, I'm original. I've been told I'm dependably delicious. I tend to get along easily with everyone. So yeah, this is definitely going to my dad. I don't eat meat, but again, I'm going to gift this box to my father. And it says, biltong is dried with air instead of heat. That way it stays more tender than traditional jerky. Great for high protein diets, paleo lifestyle, hiking, camping, Whole30, even kiddos. My parents are super healthy. Like they do the Whole30 sometimes. They go on walks every day. Like they try and eat really well. So I think he'll appreciate this. And it looks like there's 2 servings in here and it has 80 calories per serving. So yeah, cool. He'll definitely like that. He's definitely like a meat eating Irish man. So this says, this is biltong. It's South Africa's version of beef jerky. It's made with 100% grass-fed beef, handcrafted, no corn syrup, no artificial preservatives, and naturally sugar-free. Oh, that's really important. They don't eat any sugar, my parents. I really need to take inspiration from them. I've been so bad with my diet. But anyways, a delicious bite along with a glass of your favorite drink, listening to good sound music. Oh, you can use the new sound player. Will leave you feeling completely rejuvenated. Awesome. This is what the next thing looks like. I'm not sure what it is. I'm guessing it's something with aroma, or, because what is it? They said aroma and sound is the theme. Ooh, it's a candle. This might be hard to give up. Drifter Apothecary Scented Candle, coconut oil and beeswax, made in Chicago, USA. That's where my parents are from, and me. But they still live there most of the time. Oh my god, this smells so good. I love like a basic looking candle too. Not basic, I should say, just like clean, crisp writing on it, like no designs really. Definitely it could be unisex. And it's not too girly scented at all, but it smells so good. Oh my god, I wonder if it'll say the scent or like what's in here because it is so refreshing. Oh, this is the Unwind Green Tea Martini Candle. 8 ounce. This is a $12 value. Oh, I forgot to say the value of the biltong beef jerky. That is $6.50 if you're wondering. But, oh my god, this smells so good. My dad's such a martini man too. I kind of giggled when I read martini. This Unwind candle is hand poured in Chicago and has green tea, cucumber, and citrus scent. Oh, that's what smells so good. Seriously, it's so refreshing and awesome. This truly relaxing scent marries up with your favorite tunes, will definitely send you to Slumberland a lot faster. Please light the candle upon a stable, fireproof surface. Do not leave the candle unattended. Good tip. Sometimes I leave my candles burning way too long, but don't do that. Don't be like me. This smells awesome. And then, so that's everything that's in the box, but they have something in addition, a customized Spotify playlist. Cool. If you're feeling down, stressed, or anxious, music has the power to soothe you and help put things back into perspective. Nothing beats a good Spotify playlist, and we've got one of the best Spotify's relaxation playlists covered here just for you. No matter if it's a rainy day or a warm day, this is the ultimate playlist for you. To access this playlist, simply go to our website and click on playlist on the menu bar, or you can access using this link. Awesome. So this box has a total retail value of $96.50. I think this is awesome. Like, this could be for like anyone. Like, seriously, who doesn't like music? I've heard that's a thing, like there's like a small percentage of people out there in the world, but I don't know any of them. So this is awesome. This is $70. This is so cool. This could be a great gift for seriously anyone. And the candle smells amazing. And the soap smells really good too. Oh man, I'm loving it. It smells like what you would want a man to smell like. I wish I could just, you know, smell vision. I wish that was a thing. And then, yeah, this beef jerky is such a manly treat. So definitely think my dad will enjoy all of this. I'm kind of jealous that I have to pass it on, but I'm so grateful that I got this so I could do that. I know he will love it. So I thought this was awesome. What did you guys think? I still can't get over that this was in there. Like, this is such a good idea, especially for the hard to gift man. Like, I seriously can never find things for guys. They're so hard and they don't really like tell you what they want. Like when I gift stuff to like my brothers, I usually get like alcohol, like a nice bottle of whiskey. Like this is way more personal and fun, I think. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below. So definitely check that out. And if you like this, use my code so you save some money. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And again, make sure you check my giveaway video to see if you won. And I will look forward to hearing from the winner. If not, we will draw a new one on the 20th. So anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.